Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. All RC fun going on around here, y'all. My son flying his little plane over here. But I came here with something different for y'all here at Squirrel Park. I really don't have too many crawlers on the channel, but I just wanted to show y'all this crawler here. It's the Laegendary Grando. This thing went on sales for dirt cheap on Amazon a few months ago, and so my homie Lloyd, the ground guy, grabbed two of these. We're gonna do an unboxing real quick, and then I'm gonna do a run-in of this thing. Let's see, we're gonna open this thing up. That on. You got the transmitter in here. You got the Grando in here. Let me see if I can zoom out for a better view. Can't zoom out. Got the Grando, got the orange version, orange and black. This thing came with a bunch of extra parts and everything. Show you the bag. I'm not gonna take everything out, but it came with a bag of goodies, y'all. It came with zip ties. It came with a charger. For that, it comes with a nickel metal hydride. It has all the accessories and everything. This thing has like mirrors that go on the sides and everything.
I guess this is about my 5th time going around.
It's a ready to run, so it came with this. I think this is a Dumbo RC controller, rebranded or whatnot, but it got that Dumbo RC style controller there. I think it actually is a Dumbo RC. And this is the book and everything in here. Let me open that up. So let's see. Oh, it has a lipo bag in here, y'all. We got some extra body clips along with the side mirrors and everything. This is the charger for that nickel metal hydride. And these large zip ties in here. So, throw all of that back in here. We're going to do some crawling with it. I never really came out here to Squirrel Park for crawling, but I got a little spot over here back in the woods that we're going to crawl. Me, my wingman, the plane guy, and the ground guy, Lloyd. Let's go get it. Before we go and crawl, let's go underneath the hood, see what's under there. This thing has a working winch on it, y'all. So we have lights and all on it. That's what it looks like under the hood. We got nice oil-filled shocks and all. Everything's set up real nice. I don't know what size can this is right here. You see on and off switch on this side, y'all. We got a button right here on the transmitter right here for the lights. We have 3 gears right here. So it has a 3-gear transmission on it. This is the winch right there in the front. So we can, let me see. We can get that winch. Okay, so The winch works and everything. Alright, let's go get on our trail, y'all. Let's go, we going up here. It look crazy? Oh, we probably won't be able to make it up there on foot, right?
I didn't think about me trying to go up. It looks steep.
It look too steep?
I don't have maybe we should get it.
I'm gonna see if I can get the car up there. If the car can make it, we should be able to make it. Let's go between all of this. Oh, what am I doing? Sheesh. Man, that is steep. I doubt if we can make that. This truck might not make it. Oh, it gets real leafy right here. I can't make it. Yeah, that's walking a little closer. Oh, you look like you making it. Oh yeah. This stuff right here is too loose. All these leaves and everything.
Oh yeah, make sure you keep it in low gear because it don't have no slipper clutch.
Is that low gear? Yeah, I think that's low gear right there. Let's see this winch. I just want to see if it was hooked on something, will it pull it up?
Up here and see.
Yeah, this winch is pretty long too. I think that's it. Let me see. I'm gonna pull. Sheesh, something on me.
Here you go. Hook it to one of my hooks.
Yeah, let's see if that winch works, y'all.
You have to probably give it some throttle too.
Go give it a little bit of throttle.
Yeah, because that winch is not strong.
So it's going. I think it's pulling you back down. Oh, it's going up. The winch is working. Okay, but we off to the side though. Uh-oh. We on a night trail. Oh. I was gonna say we should go down that one that we couldn't make it up.
I did.
We passed it already, right?
The second one I went down and came around.
Yo, this look pitch black, bro. It looks darker than it actually is on the camera. And this looks like a super steep hill right here. I don't think we can make it down here.
We as in the trucks, or we as in me and you?
We as in me and you.
Yeah.
The trucks can make it.
Yeah. I can't even see which way to go straight.
Yeah. Yeah, you're off course. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, you're going now. Hopefully we can make it right out of there. Do it look like it? Yeah, you still going. The legendary Grando, y'all. Thanks for watching.